shopping today.
It's beginning.
Well, it looks like Santa. So I got a package I've been waiting for a while. Well, I'm starting today with run. Now I'm walking, of course. And I'm gonna watch a video while I run. I really don't like running, but it's good for the heart. Yes. I ran about 2 kilometers today.
2 kilometers?
Yeah, 2 kilometers.
That's so far.
Yeah.
We forgot to scratch second and third.
Oh, well, let's scratch. We have this lottery advent calendar.
Scratching card calendar.
Yeah. It's a lottery. Supposed to collect certain symbols. If you get one symbol for like in a certain amount, you can win some money. But so far it doesn't look good, does
It's
it?
the 13th today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I was at the gym, I figured out the scene. One scene, this character's purpose that I didn't know had a purpose. It's quite a good one, so I'm excited to write that. But I didn't figure out the main plot hole. I guess it's gonna take a while.
Nothing.
Nothing good yet. Well, we still have like what, 11 days left.
Yeah. 11?
Yeah.
Yeah, 11. Let's go into the light.
Are you ready? You sure? Oh, snowman. Ah, focus. No. Focus. No, focus on me.
It's too close.
I'm too close.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there it is. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Oh wow, it's a chocolate!
Oh, wow. Have you had this before?
No.
What is that?
White raspberry?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Let's see how it looks like.
Oh, so nice.
Fancy.
Should be good. Should be good. Is it very good? I think it looks very good. How is it?
Good.
But not
But my low.
but not your favorite? We're just getting white all over. I'm confusion. But I think I had this before. But now I'm confused.
Maybe it's glistening Christmas?
Yeah, I thought about it too, but I'm not sure.
I
I'm not
have-
sure how that's supposed to smell like.
No idea. Same.
Going shopping today. 2 different places, right? And then to the meet Coca-Cola truck, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not sure what's so special about it, but we'll see. He wanted me to film this. It's made of ice.
Yeah. It's cool.
How happy?
It's a nice sculpture.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Chicken salsa, right? With what? What is the bone? You have something on your lip.
It's chicken salsa. This is the big chicken salsa.
Is it better than the small one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
More of it.
I wasn't even recording.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It said on the sign, "Welcome to Sausage Tuesday."
Sausage Tuesday?
Yeah.
It is Tuesday, right?
No, it's Wednesday.
not. No, it's Wednesday.
But where was the Sausage Tuesday? Hi.
What?
It does look like Santa.
Oh, it looks like Santa. I'm gonna take pictures of the Santa now.
What?
Are you gonna take pictures of the Santa?
No, that's a bit awkward.
Do you want what?
Do you want?
Yeah.
You want?
I don't even know what it is, but yeah, sure. I thought he was going to get 2 of whatever it is. But apparently no, he said 10, and I'm like, oh wow, that's a lot. Are they that small?
No.
Yeah, I tasted something like this before.
Look at the sweater on the Coca-Cola bottle. Yeah.
Happy? They're having a hard time understanding Norwegian.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he expects me to learn it.
I'm drinking delicious cold Coke in this delicious cold weather.
Yeah, it was for free, so that's nice. Oh, look, the lights. Very
Yeah,
nice. Aren't you gonna try something new?
I like this one, so why buy?
Okay. Okay.
I found a new duck supplier.
Yeah, but we don't have a bat. He got the calendar for very cheap.
Yeah, it's very cheap.
Yeah, so now he's gonna open all the 13 days.
I'm tired, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. Ah, cute. Do you think it has Smarties inside it? Yes, it does.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's nice.
that's nice. Ooh, what is that? Why did they put it upside down? Ah, Smarties. Who would have
A
thought?
lot of Smarties gonna be.
Yeah, because I'm so smart. Oi!
Oh.
Santa man. Another one of those things. Cute.
Oh, another girl. Or
Chicken or whatever that is. Another one of those. Oh, another chicken.
Oh.
Oh, I opened the other way around. Open it the wrong way. Another one of those. Oh, wow, what's that cool thing? Oh, it's a lighthouse.
They all have a lighthouse. No, you see? Okay.
Another chicken. There's a lot of chickens, huh? Another lighthouse. God, we're gonna get so smart.
Oh.
13.
Okay.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Well, let me just say that this one costs around €3 or $3 or 3 something or 30 crowns. So like already this is like already worth the money.
Yeah.
Pretty much. So that was a steal, guys.
Yeah. You're still wearing my hat?
Always buy calendars after 1st of December because they're over 50% off. Go buy more calendars after many days.
Or now.
December.
Yeah,
Yes, now. Yes. Go out and get cheap calendars, guys.
So I got a package I've been waiting for 4 weeks. It's my nail stuff because I'm gonna start.
A nail salon?
No, just gonna do my nails like with gel. Oh wow. Well, here's the budget UV light. So in packet. Oh my god.
Looks very light.
It's quite good, I think, for the price.
Wow. That was cheap, probably.
Yes, it was cheap. The cheapest one I found. And then there's my nail polishes. A lot of them. We got.
Oh my god, you're gonna go through all of them?
Yes. I mean, there's a lot of colors I chose because they were very cheap. So why not? And some of them are like Christmassy. So I'm gonna try those one first. I actually wanted a white one too because white is my favorite nail polish ever. But they didn't have it anymore. It was out of stock, so that was very nice. Okay, yeah. Thank you for coming for my packaging. Watching me package, unpack stuff. Yeah. That's it. I'm gonna do my nails now. Maybe tomorrow, actually, not today. So I put this box in the middle, just trying to trap Belle. We'll see if she catches the bait.
This is not UV light.
But it is.
No.
Grab both of them. They're pretty calm, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both
Which
of
one
them
smells
smell like old ladies.
Okay, so what are we doing here? Okay, he walked away. You're safe, Belle.